What's up, guys? Josh from Unique Amps here with a custom 12 gauge project update. Tad Grow suggested a vintage or a Celestion 30. Kelton Ford, Eminent CV75. John Manuel Chavez, also a vintage 30 or something from Marshall. Let's see, Jacob, Pajarillo, also Celestion V30 or Marshall speaker. Tyler Jackson, again Celestion V30, but then he also suggested a Ted Weber Silver Bell. That one might be a little bit pricey for this project. Looking at $216. Thanos Raskin, Celestion V30S English. I think I'm most intrigued by Maurice Diebert's suggestion. Try to get a Vox type tone with a Celestion greenback. He says, really would like to see if you could get a Vox type tone out of that. It's really hard to get a jingly Vox tone. Alright, challenge accepted. Let's see what we can do with a Celestion greenback. So here we go. Buy it now. Place order. There it is. Should get it in a couple weeks, looks like, or a week or two. So I'll be sure to let you guys know as soon as that thing arrives. So if you're new to this channel and you're wondering what's going on, check out the baseline video. There's a link in the description. Thanks again for watching and following this project. I'll see you again when the speaker arrives. Until then, take care.